Man is the measure of everything. Love is the desire for the eternal good. A healthy mind makes you love life. A rich mind is not satisfied with a little wealth. The body is the prison of the soul. Physical beauty is the attractiveness of the mind. Justice in all things is the chief virtue. Knowledge is the light of reason. The body cannot enjoy anything if the mind is not with it. To be wise, seek wisdom. A good person is a just person. Wisdom begins with the recognition of ignorance. Education is the best weapon against ignorance. A true friend is someone who gives you honest advice, even if it hurts. Change is the law of life. A healthy body is the prison of a strong spirit. Success begins with determination and perseverance. Time may diminish the beauty of the body, but the beauty of the soul lasts. A kind heart is the true treasure. A wise man thinks before he speaks. A weak body influences a strong mind. Love is the greatest adventure. The truth is the foundation of every relationship. It is the wise mind that governs desires, not the other way around. Truth is beauty, and beauty is truth. Understanding is man's greatest wealth. A little knowledge matures a person, and a lot of knowledge weakens him. Youth is not in age, but in mind and spirit. Quality is better than quantity. Happiness is wisdom. A true friend is someone who helps you achieve your goals. Humility is a sign of greatness. Moderate pleasures make a better person. A true friend stays by your side in difficult times. Thinking is inner speech. The mind is the solution to all problems. Education is the best investment of time. A healthy mind seeks the truth. Justice is the highest value in society. Education is the most powerful weapon to change the world. Wisdom is the best guide to life. The wise learn from their mistakes, the ignorant ignore them. Desistance is the key to success. Hard work is the way to success. A wise man can control himself. Humility is a sign of greatness. True friends are the true treasure. Knowledge can free a person from ignorance. Success requires creative thinking. Ethics is the foundation of building society.